Ever feel like AI is a mystery box? Many creators chase a magic prompt hoping for instant success, but AI isn't a genie. It's more like an intern needing guidance. Let's explore why a system, not a word, is key. Introducing the RTF framework: role, task, format. Assign AI a specific role for better insights. Be precise with tasks and format for accurate results. This transforms vague prompts into powerful commands. For example, instead of asking for video ideas, direct AI act as a YouTube strategist. Generate 15 beginner-friendly video ideas. This approach yields gold, not generic lists. Avoid the anchoring effect by starting with your ideas. Use AI to expand and refine them. This workflow combines human intuition with AI's processing power for original content. Steps: you start with rough ideas. AI expands them into detailed concepts. AI refines these into polished titles and hooks. Finally, you direct the final creative choices. Ever faced a blank page with no ideas? Feeling like every niche is saturated? What if there was a key to unlock endless content ideas? Let's explore how to overcome this creative block. Why searching for a magic prompt fails? AI isn't a search engine, it's an intern. The secret lies in a magic system, not a word. Let's delve deeper into this concept. Role: assign a persona to the AI. Task: be specific with your requests. Format: define how you want the output. This structured approach transforms AI into a creative powerhouse. Start with your own rough ideas. Use AI to expand and refine those ideas. Stay original while boosting creativity. This workflow ensures your content stands out. Treat AI as a board of directors. Use multiple expert personas for brainstorming. Pressure test ideas for the best results. This council approach elevates your creative process. Combine RTF, Idea Multiplier, and Council of Geniuses. Direct AI to supercharge your creativity. Transform the blank page into a starting line. This synergy unlocks unlimited potential. RTF Blueprint: direct AI with precision. Idea Multiplier: start with you, expand with AI. Council of Geniuses: multi-persona strategy for top ideas. AI is your creative partner, not a replacement. Download the free AI Secret Key Prompt List. Start using AI to generate endless ideas. Show that blinking cursor who's boss. Take control of your creative journey today.